Welcome in the Business Guide. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in Michigan. So this is a step-by-step guide from the start to finish. I believe that as a non-profit owner, what we should do is to focus on providing value to people, not taking care too much about accounting, administration, how to start a company, because then we're losing our focus. We are everywhere, but then we're nowhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most effective way I think there is to start a company, start a non-profit. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help us start our own non-profit. And what you want to do is click here, Start My Business. Here, you want to simply click on LLC and change that to non-profit, and state of formation, you want to find Michigan. So when you're gonna have Michigan here, you're gonna have three packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. You see the silver costs only $20 with free registered agent service for a year, unlimited name searches, free preparing filling articles of organization. But yes, it's really cheap, the silver, but what I recommend is going with the gold one because it's going to save you so much time with the business tax number, the free business tax consultation, banking account, lifetime company alerts, banking resolution, corporation bylaws, IRS form. So a lot of stuff that you're gonna find in gold that you won't find in silver. And then you're gonna have the platinum, but with the platinum there is only like 3 advantages: that you can have the business contract templates, but if you don't need them, you don't need it then. Expedited filling, but the filling you can get even when you're gonna choose the gold package, and later in a order you can get the filling faster for your non-profit. And domain name, business email. If you don't have it yet, maybe it's going to be useful for you, but maybe not. So that's like up to you. My recommendation is going with the gold package. So here I'm going to click get the gold package. I will add a contact person, myself, email address, and then phone number. So I will go here and like this phone number, and then I'm going to also add the street address, city, and also choose the state here. And when you're gonna have it, just go further and click next. Now, when you're gonna click next here, you're gonna choose the selection rate here, if you're gonna have members. So most small non-profits are like not to have formal membership structure, and thus avoiding documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So here you're gonna have the 96% selection rate. The non-profit will not have members. Most people are choosing that only because less administration. Or you can click here, the non-profit will have members. So this is like completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. And then you're gonna have the general purpose of non-profit, and if it's going to be the public benefit, corporation, or religious corporation. Again, if you're religious, click here on religious. Then press next here again. Then you're gonna have the state filling time. So you can simply like have it in 11 days or 4 weeks. This is up to you how many days you need. If you have time, click 4 weeks. If no, go with 11 business days. So then you're gonna have non-profit name. So this is where you're gonna create your name of the non-profit. So I write Marcus marketing, and let's say I'm going to offer non-profit marketing advice. Designator, I'm going incorporated. You can choose the designator based on that it's incorporated as a corporation. Then number of directors, you need to have minimum 3, and business purpose. So let's say I'm going to write marketing service for small business owners. And then I'm going to have an industry keyword here, which is going to be, let's say, marketing and marketing consulting services. Then company address information here, so I'm going to add it right here. And then I would press simply next. Then I see the premium service package, so what I can do, I can easily upgrade if I want to. And then you don't need to upgrade if you don't need to. And then you're gonna have directors here. So here, the next step, you're gonna add directors. So I will just fill it out faster, but here you just add all the directors you need. Okay, director 3. Now I'm going to have the officer information. So you're gonna have to choose president, then secretary, and then treasurer. So these are the all officers that you need to have the information assigned. And then when you got it, you can have the vice president optional if you want it. Then press next here. Then you're gonna have the registered agent information, so you can easily assign Incfile as your registered agent service. If you want to, I would recommend it only because the first year is completely for free, or you can act as your own registered agent. And then when you're gonna choose what you want, you would click next. Then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So Incfile will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. And then you simply write here the SSN number. And when you have it, you're gonna have the physical street address. So you're gonna fill it out and then press next again. Then you're gonna have the setting up small business banking. So yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. Again, you would choose that. And then press next. So if you want to have a bank account with Bank of America. Then tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I heavily recommend to have, is that Incfile will offer you a business tax consultation on how your nonprofit works. What kind of things are important there, you can ask questions. So definitely have it. And then press next here. And then you're going to find also the review order. So you see right here that you're going to have the formation info, the contact information, the agent, company, officer, all the stuff here. And when you're gonna check everything, that everything is correctly added, you'll click next again. And then you're gonna have the billing information here. So here you would add a first name, last name, street address, card number, and that's pretty much it how we do it. So this is how you can easily start a nonprofit in North Carolina. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya. In Michigan, not North Carolina. Hey there, guys. Zdravím. Už jste prezdával? Dobre, je hotový.